Vagent AI is a new player in the AI software world, and in this video, we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it, so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss the final feature, because it might just change the way you approach AI-driven tasks for good. Let's dive right into it. First things first, Vagent AI is an advanced automation tool designed to help businesses optimize their workflows. It's an all-in-one solution with a range of capabilities that will streamline operations, enhance productivity, and save you hours of manual labor. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or customer support, Vagent AI promises to simplify a lot of your daily tasks. One of the most impressive features right off the bat is its advanced natural language processing. This enables Vagent AI to understand and generate human-like responses across various industries. The AI is designed to create custom content for emails, chatbots, and even social media responses, without requiring you to write anything yourself. For marketers, this can be a game changer. You'll see how quickly you can draft effective copy, manage customer relationships, and scale outreach with just a few clicks. Another standout feature is Vagent AI's data analytics capabilities. It doesn't just perform tasks, it tracks performance and generates actionable insights. If you're in digital marketing, having this data at your fingertips can significantly improve your decision-making and strategy. It helps businesses optimize their ad spend by analyzing customer interactions in real time, ensuring that every penny spent on marketing goes toward the most effective campaigns. What really sets Vagent AI apart from other tools, though, is its automation layer. With Vagent AI, you can automate almost any repetitive task. Whether it's scheduling, customer follow-ups, or sending personalized offers based on user behavior, this software makes it seamless. You can completely customize the workflows to suit your business model, allowing you to reduce your reliance on manual processes while still maintaining a high level of personalization. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Vagent AI is highly intuitive and user-friendly. If you're someone who's a little intimidated by tech, don't worry. The interface is super simple to navigate, and the learning curve is very shallow. This makes it perfect for small businesses or startups who may not have a dedicated IT department to set up complicated systems. Vagent AI gives you the flexibility to integrate with your existing software stack, from CRM systems to email marketing platforms. Now, let's talk about the scalability. This tool was built with growth in mind, meaning that no matter the size of your business, Vagent AI can grow with you. Whether you're handling a handful of customers or thousands, this platform can easily scale up to meet your needs, and it won't slow down as your business grows. You'll also find that its customer support is top-notch. Vagent AI offers excellent resources for troubleshooting, plus responsive support teams who can help you get back on track in no time. So you might be wondering, how does Vagent AI compare to other AI tools on the market? Well, after trying hundreds of similar solutions, I can confidently say that Vagent AI is one of the most comprehensive and versatile platforms available. It's the perfect balance between power and simplicity, making it accessible to both beginners and advanced users. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below, no strings attached. You'll get full access to all the key features, so you can see firsthand how it works and if it's the right fit for you. If you're still unsure about Vagent AI, remember that I've tested thousands of AI software solutions. So, after trying it out for yourself, check the description for a list of my recommended AI tools, most of which you can also try for free. Thanks for watching.